The Dayton Audio DATS LA is a game changer for loudspeaker design. It doesn't just measure small signal parameters. It shows you exactly how a driver's motor force and suspension change as the cone moves, using a patented DC-biased method no other tester offers. With a built-in 100-watt amplifier, you can test a speaker's small and large signal parameters, giving real-world conditions. DATS LA also allows for precision measurement of resistance, inductance, and capacitance, helping you to dial in your drivers and crossovers with incredible accuracy. Plus, it comes with advanced software that lets you generate BL and KMS curves to detect asymmetries and non-linearities, all while connecting easily via USB. If you're serious about designing better speakers and avoiding hidden problems, DATS LA gives you the deep data you need faster, easier, and at a price every serious designer can afford.